Many options are available to control the results of a right-click while drawing and editing in AutoCAD. Careful consideration of these options will significantly improve your productivity. The settings controlling right-click customization are found in the Options dialog box on the User Preferences tab. There are three distinct situations, or modes, that must be considered during the drawing workflow. The default mode, when the command line is blank and no objects have been selected. The edit mode, when an object or objects have been selected, but no command is in progress. And the command mode, when a command is in progress. The results of a right-click can be customized for each of these modes. In the default mode, you have two options for controlling a right-click. When the Repeat Last Command option is selected, a right-click repeats the most recently used command. As shown here, after starting the fillet command from the ribbon and creating the first fillet, if you use right-clicks to repeat the command, the remaining fillets can be created quickly. This is much faster than returning to the ribbon, toolbar, or command line for each repetition. When the Shortcut menu option is selected, a right-click displays a shortcut menu containing command options, standard editing tools, navigation tools, and properties management tools. Your workflow can continue in dozens of different directions from here. While you can repeat the last command at this point and continue with the fillet command, each fillet will require a return to the shortcut menu. Notice that with the exception of the repeat fillet option, the remaining selections in the shortcut menu are not specific to any particular command or object. In the edit mode, the results of a right-click differ slightly from those in the default mode. The repeat last command option still has the same effect. Here it's being used to repeat the move command and complete the steps for moving the arrow. When the shortcut menu option is selected, there's an important difference. In addition to the selections displayed in the default mode, there are now selections specific to the object selected. As shown here, if you select a block, the shortcut menu displays additional tools specifically for blocks. Right-clicking in the command mode requires the most attention and has the most potential for increasing your productivity. When the Enter option is selected, a right-click is equivalent to pressing Enter on the keyboard. Pressing Enter can end a selection process, accept a default or previously entered value at the command line, or end a command. This option can be very beneficial when commands require several steps to complete. Here, command line input and right-clicks are being used to advance through the polyline edit command. As with the edit mode, when either shortcut menu option is selected, a right-click displays a shortcut menu specific to the command in progress and object selected. Notice that the same command options available at the command line are also displayed in the shortcut menu. This is particularly valuable in the command mode as it reinforces AutoCAD's heads-up design. You can complete each step in the command workflow without having to look away from your drawing to respond to a command line prompt. Two different versions of the shortcut menu option are available in the command mode. If you want shortcut menus to display under any conditions, select Always Enabled. If you want shortcut menus to display only when command options are present, as seen in this demonstration, select Enabled when command options are present. You can have both the Enter option and the shortcut menu option available at the same time by using the time-sensitive right-click option. With this feature turned on, a quick right-click responds as though you were pressing Enter on the keyboard. If you right-click and hold the button down briefly, the shortcut menu displays. The length of time the button must be held down is determined by the longer click duration setting. This time is measured in milliseconds, so a setting of 1000 requires that you hold the button down for 1 second in order for the shortcut menu to display. You can disable shortcut menus completely, regardless of the settings in the right-click customization dialog box, by deselecting the Shortcut Menus in Drawing Area option. With shortcut menus disabled, a right click is always identical to pressing Enter on the keyboard. After experimenting with the different right-click options, you will find the combination that works best for your drawing style and workflow.